Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make balsamic dressing, full guide. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and using a clean jar for shaking. Begin with 3 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1 tsp Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt. Whisk or shake until emulsified, then taste and tweak acidity or sweetness. Store chilled and shake before serving to recombine the dressing for consistent texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make balsamic dressing, full guide. Start by choosing a flavor direction, sweet, savory, or herbed, before mixing ingredients. Try honey for sweetness or minced garlic for savory notes, and fold in fresh chopped herbs at the end. Adjust salt and pepper after tasting, and test a drop on lettuce to ensure balance. Small tweaks make a big difference in final flavor and pairing suggestions. In this video, I will show how to make balsamic dressing, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you like handy kitchen companions, grab the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you cook. It fits cup holders and is easy to sip from between tasks. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make balsamic dressing, full guide. Start by combining ingredients in a jar and shaking vigorously for a smooth emulsion, or whisk until thick. Refrigerate the dressing in a sealed container and expect it to keep up to 1 week, depending on freshness of ingredients. Before serving, bring to room temperature slightly and shake well to recombine oil and vinegar for perfect texture and flavor every time.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.